video too. Okay, now let's get to business. Let's get this done. Let's get you some information that will be helpful and fun and efficient. Okay, so this is the topic today, which is seed to seal, because quality counts. Quality counts, you guys. Quality counts. How's my hair doing? How's my hair doing? Yep, getting vain for just a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so when it comes to quality, it is super important that your oils, just like anything else, are super potent, pure, and organic. So, oils that are bought at other discount stores. For example, I went to Walmart when I first heard about essential oils and bought a bunch of cheap oils, and they really didn't do much for me. And I was like, why isn't it working? Oils are supposed to work. And I've soon learned from my best friend Leslie, thanks Leslie, that the quality of oils does matter. So Young Living oils, the reason I chose to use them is because they are what you call beyond organic. I mean, using an oil from Young Living is, let's correct that, is practically like pulling a plant up out of the ground in its most organic form and using the properties that it has for your body. So pretty cool. So what they have is a seed to seal promise, and that says that for over 20 years, this company's been around forever, and they're just growing so fast because their products are so awesome, because they don't skimp when it comes to quality, and they don't take any shortcuts when it comes to getting us the purest oils that we can have. So Young Living has set the standard for purity and authenticity. They carefully monitor the production of oils from the beginning to the end through a unique seed to seal process. So from the seed to the sealing of the bottle, they oversee everything. They test constantly, and they maintain the utmost purity. So sometimes oils, like say right now, one of my favorite oils is not available because they're waiting for a whole nother plant of crops to be to come up and be harvested. And so instead of doing a shortcut and buying, any sort of fake product to help fill a bottle so that I can have the oil, most of the oil that I want, an ingredient of that oil, of that blend, if you will, that oil is just not available right now because Young Living is so committed to making sure that the purity of whatever oils we put on our body is beyond organic. So as soon as that crop is harvested, then I'll have one of my favorite blends, Valor, again. So that's pretty exciting, just to know that that they do take what they do super seriously. And as someone who has celiac disease, I take my health super seriously. And I love knowing that here is a company that I don't have to worry about it. I'm constantly investigating companies to be like, are you really gluten-free? Are you taking care of business? And all that kind of stuff. But now with them, I fully trust them, as I've done a lot of research on their process. So that is their seed to seal. Ooh. Now, for a lot of you don't really care about all that research, mumbo jumbo. You just want to know if they work, and I'm getting to that next. And for a lot of you, though, the process is super important. So don't go grab cheap oils or anything like that. You want quality oils that will last you forever. By the way, the shelf life of this is a lifetime. It never expires. So you just keep it in a cool, dark place, and these oils will last you forever. I have had bottles for years. So, okay, moving on to the next one.